Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable all Agojis into your Agoda. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to enable all the Agojis, you just simply have to open your Agoda application, and after opening the Agoda, you will get to see this home page into your Agoda. And after coming into this home page, you will get to see this more button at the bottom right corner. Just simply tap into that more button, and from there you will get to see this Agojis option into travel achievements. Now, in order to enable all 6 of them, just simply tap into those Agojis option, and as you can see here are 6 Agojis at total. First one is welcome, and second one is sweetheart and navigator and newbie traveler and buddy serially. Then in order to enable these emojis, you just simply have to follow some step. As you can see here, my first Agoji is enabled. Let's tap into the enabled Agoji into here. As you can see here, it says completed and first Agoji collected. Then if we tap into this second one, which is called sweetheart, it will say add hotels to your saved list, look for the heart icon. And after completing this task, which is listed into this sweetheart Agoji, your second Agoji will successfully be enabled. And if we go into the third one, similarly there is also a task called use map to find hotels, look for the map icon. And after completing this task, you will enable the third Agoji. Similarly, you will get some tasks into every Agoji that are here, and you have to complete those tasks in order to enable all those Agojis. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.